about my life.
The family of Alhaji Tijani of Shehori South Maiduguri and the family of Alhaji Honorable Ali Bukar Dalori, APC Chairman Borno State and Chairman APC Chairman Forum, cordially invite you to attend the wedding party of their children, Alhaji Nasiru Tijani Bukar and Fatima Alhaji Bukar Dalori, which will inshallah take place as follows. Date 14 March 2020, time 11 p.m. prompt. Venue Shehori South Maiduguri. Reception follows immediately at Fosham Hall, All GRA Maiduguri, Borno State. Wushe venue Alhaji Honorable Ali Bukar Dalori, President. Time 5 p.m. Date 13 March 2020. Dinner party. Venue Government House Multipurpose Hall, Maiduguri. Time of dinner party 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Date 14 March 2020. Come one, come all. This message is coming to you from MC Enyarwawa Alhaji Uba Adam Saidi.
I'm gonna miss your smile and the joy.